We're here in Old Monastery. Kalimutan ko nun yung sinabi niya. Natanda mo ba yung sinabi niya? Yung Old Monastery.
Cross Monastery. Cross.
Ha?
Cross Monastery.
Ayun. So, we're here in Cross Monastery.
Meron siyang same sa Jerusalem.
Okay.
Sa top view, makita mo siya cross.
We're going inside the church. What is this? Super lamig. Wow, it's so cute here. So nice. Oh.
Fox. This wolf.
Wolf. You have wolf here?
Yes.
How much is this?
This $700.
It's really warm. Yeah.
This 300.
Oh my god. Souvenir. You know, sa ref. Ano yung nabili mo? Yeah. So, ito yung fridge, 5 laris. So, this one is for Kuya Wendell. Yeah. Yes. Oh my, sobrang lamig. Malamig ka talaga. It's another church. Lamig. We cannot hold it anymore. It's freezing cold. Tama lang pala. Kaya, yung mga suot ko. Namumula na yan. Kaya namumula na ilong ko. Hindi ko na ma-feel ilong ko. Sobra. Okay. So, next stop. Saan kaya? Alright. So, sasakay kami ng cable. Hey, are you excited? Okay. Yeah. Doon tayo kanina. Bridge of Peace. Right, so patapos na yung aming tour and most probably kakain kami. That's the best thing sa tour na to is this Georgian cuisine.
Dealing with it.
वन की एक सेटिंग होती है कि भाई इतने देंगे आप अपने में गेम खेल जाएंगे.
Underground restaurant. Judge a restaurant. Cool. Nice place. Fishing time. Grabe. Ito, yung mga wine dito. Mga grocery shops lang. Meron talaga silang tinitindang liquor. Cool, diba? Gala ulit. Bali, umalis na kami sa tour group namin kasi gusto po namin pumunta sa ibang lugar. Kasi after na dinner, hahatid na kami sa hotel. Eh, medyo maaga pa naman. 7:30 pa lang, diba? Where are you guys? Yan. Para sa sa Dubai. Lamig, hindi ako masyado makapag-vlog. Kasi inalamig ako, hindi nangangatag talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya hindi ako makapagsalita habang nagtutour kami kanina. Sorry naman, guys. Ayun.
Ito yung binaan natin kanina.
Yeah. Oo, talaga.
Diba?
Oo
Tayo
nga.
dumaan. Kapag...
Hello, good morning. Okay, hi, Pao. Okay, so now we're having our breakfast. Kahapon late breakfast kami. Right? For yung mga 9:30. Oh, mga quarter to 10. Yun ngayon, medyo maaga kami. Early birds. Kasi pupunta kami ng Gudauri. So, yung snowy part ng Georgia. Ayan. This is our breakfast for today. Yes, so we have some veggies. Ayan. I don't know what's this. This is bacon something or mortadella, and then some bread, and then of course yogurt and coffee. Right? Okay. Ano nga pala, kahapon hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog. Hindi talaga kami prepared talaga sa lamig. Kasi talagang isang coat lang kami, and then gloves lang. Naiwan ko pa nga isang gloves ko sa isang packet ng coat ko. And then yun, isang talagang pair lang talagang suot ko. Yun, tapos yung isa, wala. Ayan. Pero ngayon talaga, I make sure na meron na akong gloves, and then yung dead bonnet din, and then itong scarf. Yan. We're here in Gudauri Inn. We're going to take our lunch first before going to the mountain. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Gudauri Inn. Ang ganda ng place. Kita nyo, punong-puno ng snow. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Ayan. So before going there is we're going to ride in the cable car. Cable car. Yun. So para makita namin yung view. Lunchtime. We're going up on top of the mountain. A cable ride. Okay, good luck, Haydee. Oh dear, it's so tiring. Hi.
The Xbox game. Yeah.
Going up. Oh. Ang dulas. Grabe. Kailangan meron kang shoe gear dito. Pag-akit ka pala ng snow mountain. Thank you.
There is a belt. When you sit, you must put down this belt. When we will reach near the top, you must take up this belt and you have to jump. When it's reaching up, it is going slowly, slowly. At this time, you have to get up and come in front. Okay?
Come here.
Okay, this is where we're going to sit. Ooh. Yay! Oh my god, nakakalula! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Hi! Ang daming tao. Ayan na naman! Feeling ko nagpapagano siya. Yeah, look at that! look at the camera. Kuya Wendell, you should be here! Lamig na! Huh? Okay, we're about to go down and we need to jump. Oh my god, sumemblang siya. It's too scary. Ayoko na ganyan. Nakakangalay maglakad. Kasi sobrang dulas. Kaya kailangan mo maglakad ng using your own force. Okay. Anong ganap?
Snowman.
Nakakahingal, gabi. What's that?
Iceberg.
Ganito pala yung feeling. Look at him. Enjoying. Okay, we're going there in the restaurant to have some coffee. So, hey, dito kami, chill-chill lang. Umupo muna. Napagod kami dun sa namin, snow play. Buti na lang talaga mainit, maaraw dito. At least hindi ganun talaga sobrang nag-chill, di ba? Yung katulad kahapon, sobrang ang lamig. And then, ang hangin.
Nasa yelo na tayo.
Ito, nasa yelo kami pero hindi namin ganun feel na ngayon na malamig. Pero kanina nung nasa taas, ayun, sobrang lamig sa... Grabe. Masang hangin. Pero dito, nasa baba na kami. Ayan. Okay lang.
For 5 we'll be back.
Tapos na kami sa aming tour. Pabalik na kami.
So say goodbye to Gudauri.
Bye, Gudauri! Alright, we're home sa Apple. Hindi kami sa aming Gudauri tour. Ay, at least, ang haba ng biyahe namin. Mga 3 hours yung biyahe namin pabalik. Dito sa hotel namin. And sobrang enjoy kami doon. Yung tour namin. And then talagang it's, you know, sobrang lamig, sobrang snowy. First time namin talagang naka-experience talaga na merong snow. And then parang, na-feel namin parang, hindi pala okay din yung talagang puro snow, no? Pero at least nag-enjoy kami talaga sa lugar na yon. Hello, Georgia! Good morning! Today is January 21st, Sunday. And then our last day here in Georgia. We're sad and happy din. Kasi sobrang short time lang spend namin dito sa Georgia. And then happy na rin syempre kasi makabalik na kami ng Dubai. And then makikita na rin namin si Kuya Wendell. So hinihintay pa namin mga iba namin mga kasamahan. Kami yung mga unang dumating ngayon. Hi! She's eating yogurt. We'll see you then later doon sa airport. finally, back to work, back to reality. That's it. Thank you guys for watching our video. Yeah. So I highly recommend you to visit Georgia. I'm sure that you will love the place, the country, and also the people. Anyway, if you have any comments about how to get in Georgia, please put your comments below and I'll be happy to answer all of them. Okay, see you on my next vlog. Bye!